Maybe, Sean, recently there's an incident that happened to our former president's son. Where it was an issue of firearms and everything. I would like to know yourself, your security. How do you manage to ensure that you're secure wherever you are? Are you licensed to any firearms, or you just work as you are?
No. I don't think we comment about our security publicly. But yeah, Jomo is someone I know personally. And I think he was unfairly targeted. I am not gonna pick sides politically or anything, but I think Jomo is innocent, and so is Mama Ngina. They should not have targeted anyone unrelated to what their disagreements are. I think these are grown men, and they should talk it out. They should not involve us in protests or anything. We have real issues. As human beings, as people of Kenya, we have real issues. And I think it's quite unfair that they've gathered young people to gang up and die and protest and fight the police, fight the power, whatever. I think it's quite unfair because they're grown men, they can discuss these issues. Why did we elect them? We elected them to serve us. And that's what Kenyan people have forgotten. These people are there to serve us. But anyway, I'm not a politician. I don't want to get in that mess.
Yeah, you're not. And I would like to know, is it something that you'd like to get into in
Never.
reason being?
I don't think in Kenya, I don't think you need to be a politician to serve people publicly. I think you can help a great number of people without being a politician. And that's the way it should be. Politics is an ugly business. Unfortunately, they made it even uglier. And I'm not interested in that. I can serve people in my own way, privately, as a private citizen, as all Kenyans should. If you're able to support Kenyans, I think you must.
What are some of the activities that you engage in that you believe you're able to serve your people privately in?
I don't believe in charity for the cameras. I don't invite cameras to whatever charity events I do, but I help out a lot. And I'm not going to just put them out there because they'll be favored. I think whichever charitable thing you can support in your own right, whoever approached you or whoever you think you can support, you must do so.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We really appreciate for your time. Guys, make sure you share this video, you subscribe. We'll meet you the next one. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a good night.